What started off as a few cases of pneumonia in Wuhan, China, and health officials saying there's no evidence it can spread person to person, the coronavirus has already spread to over 100 different countries, with over 100,000 people infected around the world. The number of cases have been increasing at an alarming rate, and it seems out of control. By the time you watch this video, there could be millions of people infected. And the scary thing is, it's very likely there are many more people infected than currently shown. That's because the coronavirus is contagious before you start feeling sick. It takes about 2 weeks for people with the virus to start feeling symptoms. That means you could be infected right now and spreading it to other people without even realizing it until it's too late. When things like this spread, it's easy to panic. You start hearing the news talk about it more frequently, and every day it seems to get worse and worse. Tech companies are missing their conferences, major events are being cancelled, and the stock market is going crazy. At some point, enough is enough, and you realize it's only a matter of time before that powerful government doesn't have as much control over the situation as you once thought. Pretty soon, they're telling you they can't control it, and everyone is on their own. You and the other survivors are left to hide in your underground bunkers, with just you and your supply of canned foods, hoping it can last you long enough. Whoa, that escalated fast. But are people overreacting? New research says the coronavirus is quietly spreading, and the number of cases are pretty much guaranteed to keep increasing. The CDC recently expanded its coronavirus testing throughout the US, allowing more Americans to be tested for the virus. In a nutshell, many more people have been and will be diagnosed with the coronavirus. Luckily, measures have been taken to limit its spread. The World Health Organization declared it a public health emergency, and the US has taken actions to restrict travel in the most affected areas. Along with China, more countries are being added to the do not travel list. But it may be too little, too late, as the virus is still increasing at an exponential rate. Vaccines are in the making, but you're gonna have to wait a while before they're ready. No matter how fast people work, testing and mass producing take a long time. We'll likely be waiting at least a year to a year and a half before vaccines are deployable. So what can we do? Well, the only thing we can really do at this point is prepare. Unless you absolutely have to, avoid touching things. That door handle to enter the mall, maybe try using your elbows or some gloves instead of your bare hands. And people are abandoning the traditional handshake when greeting each other. Instead, people are opting for bowing or tapping each other's feet as a so-called foot shake. And you want to avoid touching your face. We all know how hard that can be. Picking your nose, rubbing your eyes, or just putting your fingers in your mouth for no reason are all fun things to do, but you may want to hold off for a while. The coronavirus causes an upper respiratory infection, and all it takes is one touch for that virus to find its way from your face to inside your body. One of the biggest keys to prevention is washing your hands often. It's not a bad idea to keep some hand sanitizer on the go as well. Traces of the coronavirus can last for several days on surfaces, so if you just touch someone or something that had it, there's a pretty good chance it can still infect you. You can try wearing a mask, but it may go to waste, as it's currently only recommended to wear one if you have symptoms or if you're taking care of someone who's already sick. If you feel that you're getting sick, stay home and avoid going in public. The coronavirus usually starts with a fever and a dry cough, followed by a shortness of breath, similar to seasonal flu symptoms, making it hard to tell if what you have is a typical flu or the coronavirus. The good news though is 80% of cases are mild and can be treated at home. If you suspect that you have the coronavirus, call your doctor right away. Thank you for watching, and if you liked that video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new tips every week.